back to my channel and lighting. Can we talk about it? Yeah, like, look, that ain't good lighting. Let's make it a little better. Is that better? Hopefully it is. So today we are going to be doing a slime video. So it is spring, kind of. I feel like spring so much. It's pretty much March. So today we are making a spring slime. So this is going to be a nice jiggly slime. Nice, really soft jiggly slime. With some rainbow foam beads for like flowers. And it's going to be pastel pink. And so like, I mean, so cute. And yeah, let's go. So we're gonna start by, oh no! Adding eye glue, which I went fun crazy, and I bought a gallon. Well, I got it as a gift from my mom. So thank you, Mommy. And I'm going to pour some in. And now I'm going to, because I want it to be like a thick jiggling slime, so I'm going to add a little bit of shaving cream. Like not even that much because you don't want it to be fluffy. So like that much. Oh, like it was, look. It literally. And now we're going to mix up the shaving cream and the wood. Look at you guys. Cringe! You're like my videos. I haven't actually done like a slime tutorial. Well, I do them a lot, but like, I don't remember the last one I did. I haven't done one. Oh, it was a Valentine's Day slime. That was for Valentine's Day, so that was a couple of weeks ago. So I think it was a while ago. I haven't done slime tutorial in a while, so I'm really excited to be doing another one. So we are going to now make sure that the foam beads stick. We're just going to do a little sprinkle because we don't want it to be overpowering. So yeah. And then we're going to mix that together. It kind of right now looks like Fruit Loop cereal. Literally, look. Doesn't that look like Fruit Loop cereal? I can't believe it looks like Fruit Loop cereal. I was kind of scared because I thought it wasn't going to look like a spring slime because I thought it was going to look like a Fruit Loop cereal. Because this is basically how you make Fruit Loops cereal. But that's why we're adding pink dye, so then it doesn't look like Fruit Loop cereal. It would look really nice if you had like a flower charm, but I honestly do not have a flower charm. I have to be this close to the camera because the lighting's really bad if I'm not. So, oh, and we're going to add some glitter. Pink food coloring. Okay, so just to give it a bit more pizzazzle. Yeah. Pizzazzle. We're going to be adding some red glitter. Look at that shimmer, and then some pink dye. So we're going to put, because we want it to be pastel, 1 drop at the most. Because we want it to be really pastel. But if you like have normal food, okay. If you have these ones from Amazon, you need 1 drop, but if you have normal food coloring, you need less than 1 drop. But this food coloring, it's not really food coloring, it's not actually, because of the one that I have. It really makes, it's not the strongest, which I like because I really like to make pastel colors. So I really like this if you like to make pastel colors, I really suggest. Look at how pastel and pretty that is, so it should look like this. If you've done all that, just a heads up. If it doesn't look like that, you might have done something wrong. Or if the colors are kind of different than mine, that's okay. It's going to be pretty and a good texture. So now we're going to add our speckles. Speckly, speckles, speckles, speckles. So you're just gonna like try to go like that. Oh, that looks so pretty. And I'm using red. It would be better if you use pink, but I don't have any pink sparkles. Look at that. That's so pretty. So now you're going to mix that together. And yeah, it kind of made it kind of look like a Christmas slime. I don't know, but it looks kind of cute. I love it. Okay, now we're gonna add a bit of water. Once you have added your water, just mix that with your all your other ingredients. Obviously, it kind of made it like a doobie soup. I don't know why. Kind of turned it into a doobie soup, but it's okay. I love this. Now we actually have to activate it. So I have this squirt bottle I got from the dollar store, which borax is in it. You can also use Tide Soft Glow contact lens solution. I've used contact lens solution. Okay, I would not really suggest contact lens solution. It makes it a little too thick for my taste. Well, I love thick slimes, but like it kind of over boraxes it. In my opinion, it's never really worked for me. So yeah. Just keep on adding until you get your perfect consistency. So now I'm going to go ahead and start to knead because I think I've gotten it to the right texture. I'm just going to knead in the bowl. If it's still a little sticky and you're done kneading in the bowl, what you will do is you will put borax onto your table. This is what I do. You don't have to do this if it's not sticky, but if it is just a little sticky, you should. And then put some borax onto your hands. And then pour your slime out. Once you pour your slime out, you can knead it onto the table. Wow, this is a good texture. It's kind of cold. Why did I just say that? It doesn't really matter. How do you guys like my bronzer today? I don't usually do bronzer, but I think pretty well for not using bronzer a lot. Like, you know, I think I'm going to hop onto the makeup trend, you know. I can do some more makeup videos. I haven't done a lot of the videos. I really love this slime. I really think it represents spring and this season that we're going in now. I should have made a fall slime, and I made a winter slime, and I made a spring slime, and then next I'm going to make a summer slime. It's going to be a collection. I love this slime. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. Peace, bye, love ya.